Hi guys, hope you are fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be talking about the keyboard sound settings in your device OPPO A18. But before we talk about that, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my future updates. Now watch this video.